Homemade gingerbread coffee recipe, cozy winter delight. Hey there, coffee enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for you that'll warm your heart and tingle your taste buds, homemade gingerbread coffee. As winter rolls in, what's better than curling up with a mug of fragrant and festive coffee? Let's jump right into the recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup brewed coffee, your favorite roast. 1/2 teaspoon ground ginger. 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1/8 teaspoon ground nutmeg. 1/8 teaspoon ground cloves. 2 tablespoons molasses or gingerbread syrup. 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1/2 cup milk, dairy or non-dairy. Whipped cream for topping. Ground cinnamon or nutmeg for garnish. Instructions: brew your coffee. Start by brewing a fresh cup of your favorite coffee. You can use a French press, drip coffee maker, or any other method you prefer. Make sure it's strong and aromatic, as that's the foundation of our gingerbread coffee. Prepare the spice mix. In a small bowl, combine the ground ginger, ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, and ground cloves. Mix them together well to create the fragrant spice blend that'll give our coffee that classic gingerbread flavor. Add the flavors. While your brewed coffee is still hot, add the molasses or gingerbread syrup. The molasses will give it a rich, deep flavor, while the syrup will add sweetness and that unmistakable gingerbread taste. Stir well until fully incorporated. Spice it up. Sprinkle your prepared spice mix into the coffee and stir again. The combination of the spices and molasses syrup will create a warm and cozy aroma that's perfect for the holiday season. Add the milk and vanilla. Pour in your preferred type of milk, dairy or non-dairy, and the vanilla extract. Stir gently to combine. The milk will make your gingerbread coffee creamy and delightful. Top it off. For that extra touch of indulgence, add a dollop of whipped cream on top. The creaminess pairs perfectly with the spiced coffee. Garnish. Finish your gingerbread coffee with a sprinkle of ground cinnamon or nutmeg on top. This not only adds a hint of extra flavor but also makes your creation look even more enticing. Enjoy! Grab your favorite mug, cozy up in your favorite spot, and enjoy every sip of this delightful homemade gingerbread coffee. It's the perfect beverage to brighten up your winter mornings or to treat yourself during a chilly afternoon. Voila! There you have it, a heartwarming gingerbread coffee that'll add a touch of holiday magic to your daily routine. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tasty treats. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, stay warm and caffeinated. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.